Step-by-step Next.js tutorial for beginners. Understanding roots and folders in Next.js 13. In Next.js 13, organizing your project is super intuitive. Roots are defined using folders, creating a clear hierarchy that represents the structure of your application. 1. Creating a simple root. To create a basic root, follow these steps. Inside your app directory, create a new folder, let's call it name. In the name folder, add a page.tsx file. This file will contain the UI for your root. app/name/page.tsx. Open app/name/page.tsx and create a simple React component. 2. Creating a nested root. Let's take it up a notch and create a nested root, e.g., name/address. Inside the name folder, create another folder, e.g., address. Again, add a page.tsx file inside the address folder to define the UI for this nested root. app/name/address. app/name/address/page.tsx. 3. Testing your roots locally. Now, it's time to see your roots in action. Start your Next.js development server. In new terminal write code. npm run dev. Open your browser and visit http://localhost 3000/name. http://localhost 3000/name/address. 4. Understand Next.js 13 routing. Next.js 13 uses server-centric routing for improved performance. Unlike previous versions, the router doesn't require the client to download a route map. This change aligns with server components and enhances data fetching on the server. Enjoy building with Next.js 13 and happy coding.